here. And they're here with a squishy Ryan from Ryan's World. Wow. Let's see, we have a note here. Let's have Meeps cut him open. Biggie. Oh boy. You guys really like to cut things open. Comment down below if you think they like to cut things open. Let's give this a big squish and see how it expands. It's pretty cool. Comment down below what color you think is going to be inside whenever I cut this open. I have my handy dandy scissors here. Okay. Are we ready? Here we go. I'm going to guess yellow. Okay, let's take a look and see. Whoa, it's white. A white foam. Okay, let's rip the rest open. It looks like you guys each have a squishy now. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf.